It's Movember, and it's that time of year again where men grow out their mustache, all in an effort to bring awareness to men's health issues such as cancer and suicide prevention. So what better place to show that facial hair some love than at Mr. Brown's Barber Shop, which offers a unique gentleman's experience.
Mr. Brown's is a recreation of like a 1920s, 30s set theme barbershop. Specialize in doing haircuts, cuts and shaves, and working on facial hair, beards, etc. So essentially we're just like a full-service men's grooming barbershop.
I've been coming to Mr. Brown's barbershop for about 5 years now, and I was blown away from the first time I came in here. The aesthetics are obviously really impressive, but the thing that really separates this place from other barbershop experiences I've had is probably the customer service.
We literally care from A to Z, the second you walk in to the second that you leave, you know. Were you treated right? Was it warm enough? Was it cold enough? You know, was it the right beverage? Was it the right words that we used?
All right, Brian, let's get you started over here. What are we gonna do today?
And ultimately, you know, getting the customer to get out of that chair and like look in the mirror and be like, wow, this is awesome. Everything in this building has been custom designed, you know, from the barber stations to the barber chairs being restored from the 20s. And essentially these chairs were used in the 20s not only for barbering, they were used for dentistry and surgery as well. So they're all almost, I'd say, between 90 to 100 years old.
The chrome, the white porcelain, like they're beautiful. They're works of art.
Everything is art in here. But I think the main art is really coming from the recreation of these barbers, you know? I mean, these guys are artists.
I haven't shaved my face in about 5 years. This is all, you know, lined up by one of the great barbers here.
Instagram is being, you know, is a massive tool for these barbers. People are going onto the website and they're identifying their selection of barber based on the barber's Instagram haircut. So they're kind of seeing what they're doing and kind of, you know, maybe they pick a haircut from the Instagram of the barber and using that as their tool. A lot of people can kind of get intimidated by, you know, such a space as this, and we just try to, you know, try to make people feel at home.
I would tell somebody that walked in here for the first time, get past the first 4 steps. You know, you might walk in the first 2 or 3 steps, you're like, okay, I don't know if this is for me. But once you really get in a little bit more, somebody's gonna say hi to you, you know, Lee or Laura at the front desk is gonna greet you and, you know, offer you a beverage and talk to you and just, you know, see how you're doing. And I think very quickly, the intimidation that you may feel will melt away because it's really, everybody here is really nice. And again, they just want you to enjoy your time while you're in the shop.
So yeah, come on down, let's pick you the right barber, let's get you a beverage, let's get you part of this culture.